Hi, I'm Joe Donato, and I'm here at Marshall's Truck and Trailer new unmanned commercial inspection, located at 349 Kenora Avenue in Hamilton, Ontario. And we have something exciting to present to you today. A properly aligned truck with balanced assemblies can increase tire life by 35%, which is more than a third of its life. A 2 to 7% fuel savings on poorly aligned tractor and trailer, which is significant savings to you.
Any truck and trailer could be quick checked. It's straight across the machine. It gives you a live reading of all your tire depths, and there's no room for human error. It's a straight computer reading. We'd have the results on the screen, and we'd review them with you immediately.
Additionally, all tire assemblies are measured for depth across the profile, allowing for report for potential failure.
Tire depths are important because if you have mismatched tires or tires that are wearing in a funny angle, you can get ahead of the game a little bit and have a chance of saving the tire, making it last a little longer.
This simple system requires the driver to line up and drive all axles through at roughly 10 kilometers per hour with no steering and no braking. And within 1 minute, you will be presented with front tow, front camber, and scrub, all from standard generic spec. Furthermore, this also indicates component wear. Important to know that these are the main angles that affect tire wear. And after the truck drives through and before you even have time to park your truck, we will have results not only on Flightboard in the shop, but also within our office where one of our fantastic advisors can go over your results.
Any truck and trailer could be quick checked in a minute to get the results. We'd have the results on the screen, and we'd review them with you immediately.